Welcome to my YouTube channel Ek Din Ka Raja. Today we are going to discuss about Malt lymphoma, WHO 2019 update. It's a most frequently asked question for MD exams. Recent advances in gastric lymphomas, recent advances in Malt lymphoma, something like that. It will be asked in your exams. Malt lymphoma is an extranodal marginal zone lymphoma of mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. So, Malt lymphoma involving digestive tract is an extranodal lymphoma. It's a low-grade B-cell lymphoma which arises in the mucosal or glandular tissues, recapitulating the cytoarchitectural features of Malt. So, you have to remember only 3 points here. You can frame a definition. Malt lymphoma is an extranodal marginal zone lymphoma of mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. The other point is it's an extranodal low-grade B-cell lymphoma. Third point is it recapitulates the cytoarchitectural features of mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. That's it. Malt lymphoma can occur at any site in the entire GIT. Clinical features are usually site related. The patient usually presents with non-specific symptoms. So, Malt lymphoma constitutes around 30 to 60% of all gastric lymphomas. Peak age at incidence is 60 years. There is no gender predilection. %90 cases of Malt lymphoma are associated with H. pylori infection, except the Malt lymphomas associated with translocation 11-18. Malt lymphoma is associated with 4 specific translocations. You can remember them in order: translocation 114, translocation 314, translocation 11-18, translocation 14-18. Okay, 114, 314, 11-18, 14-18. Grossly, you can see only thickening of mucosa, or it may present as an obvious mass, but it will be multifocal. As I said earlier, Malt lymphoma recapitulates the cytoarchitectural features of PS patches, which are prototypical for normal mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. There are no specific markers for Malt lymphoma. As it's a B-cell lymphoma, it obviously shows positivity with CD20, CD79A and BCL2. BCL6, CD5, CD10, CD23 are negative, which rules out CLL and follicular lymphoma, Burkitt lymphoma, etc. So the quick checklist, you have to write definition, localization, clinical features, epidemiology, etiology, pathogenesis, gross pathology, light microscopy, immunohistochemistry. Thank you.